Welcome to this video on career paths and growth in digital marketing. After watching this video, you'll be able to describe the various career paths in digital marketing, analyze potential career growth opportunities. Digital marketing is a fast-growing industry with diverse career opportunities. Companies are making significant investments in digital channels, creating a high demand for skilled professionals across various domains. Unlike traditional jobs, digital marketing offers flexibility, remote work options, and the ability to transition between roles based on your interests and skills, making it a dynamic and rewarding career path. Starting a career in digital marketing does not necessarily require a formal degree. Many professionals enter the industry through online courses, internships, and hands-on projects. For example, a recent marketing graduate can join a startup as a digital marketing associate. A freelancer with a passion for search engines can become an SEO analyst with an e-commerce brand, or a creative individual with strong communication skills can land a role as a social media coordinator at a fashion brand. So, let's take a look at some of the most common entry-level positions in the industry. The digital marketing associate, sometimes called a digital marketing executive, involves managing various aspects of digital marketing, including social media management, content creation, and campaign execution. It's an ideal position for beginners who want to explore different marketing areas before specializing. An SEO analyst is responsible for optimizing websites to improve search engine rankings. Their tasks include conducting keyword research, implementing on-page SEO strategies, and developing link-building initiatives. Another entry-level position is social media coordinator. They manage social media accounts, create engaging content, and interact with their audience. They work closely with designers and content creators to ensure brand consistency across platforms. A pay-per-click or PPC specialist manages paid advertising campaigns on platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads. They monitor ad performance and optimize strategies to achieve a higher return on investment. A content writer or copywriter creates blog posts, website content, and marketing copy to drive engagement and conversions. They collaborate with SEO and social media teams to enhance content visibility and effectiveness. With 2 to 5 years of experience, digital marketers can move into more specialized or managerial roles. At this stage, professionals develop expertise in specific areas and take on greater responsibilities. An SEO manager leads a team of SEO analysts to implement advanced optimization techniques. They focus on data-driven strategies to improve search rankings and enhance site performance. A social media manager develops social media strategies and oversees content creation. They also manage paid campaigns and engagement strategies to expand the brand's online presence. A digital marketing strategist works on high-level marketing campaigns and coordinates efforts between teams. They analyze data and use insights to guide decisions and improve overall marketing performance. An email marketing manager specializes in email automation, customer segmentation, and campaign analysis. They optimize email campaigns to increase engagement and drive conversions. A performance marketing manager focuses on paid advertising across multiple platforms. They manage budgets, bidding strategies, and conversion tracking to maximize the effectiveness of ad campaigns. With 7 or more years of experience, digital marketers can move into senior leadership roles. These positions often involve strategy development, cross-channel marketing management, and high-level decision-making. The head of digital marketing oversees the entire digital marketing strategy for a company or agency. This role involves managing large teams, setting budgets, and ensuring that marketing goals align with overall business objectives. The Chief Marketing Officer, or CMO, leads all marketing efforts within an organization. They collaborate with executives to drive brand growth and support business expansion. The e-commerce director specializes in digital marketing strategies for online sales platforms. They are responsible for overseeing website performance, optimizing conversions, and managing digital advertising efforts to enhance sales. Beyond traditional corporate roles, digital marketing offers several alternative career paths, including freelancing and entrepreneurship. Many digital marketers choose to work independently through freelancing and consulting, offering services such as SEO, content marketing, or social media management. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn provide opportunities to connect freelancers with clients. Entrepreneurs can start a digital marketing agency by offering specialized marketing services. This path requires industry experience, strong networking skills, and business management expertise to succeed. Some professionals pursue affiliate marketing and blogging by building their brands, creating content, and earning revenue through affiliate partnerships. Success in this field depends on selecting the right niche, producing high-quality content, and growing an engaged audience. To succeed in digital marketing, you need to keep learning and stay ahead of industry trends. Let's explore how you can grow your career faster. First, get industry certifications. Earning credentials such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, or HubSpot content marketing can boost your expertise and make you stand out. Next, build your brand. Be active on LinkedIn, share insights, and connect with professionals in your field. The stronger your network, the more opportunities you'll find. Hands-on experience is key. Work on personal projects, contribute to marketing campaigns, or even volunteer for nonprofits. The more practice, the better you'll get. Stay updated with industry trends by following top marketing experts, attending conferences, and taking online classes. The digital world moves fast, and staying informed keeps you ahead. Finally, aim for leadership roles. Develop your management skills and shift from doing the work to shaping strategy. Strong leaders drive success, and that could be you. In this video, you learned that digital marketing offers diverse career opportunities, allowing professionals to transition between roles based on their interests and skills. Entry-level positions such as digital marketing associate, SEO analyst, social media coordinator, PPC specialist, and content writer provide a strong foundation for growth in the industry. With experience, professionals can advance to specialized or managerial roles, including SEO manager, social media manager, digital marketing strategist, email marketing manager, and performance marketing manager. Senior leadership roles such as head of digital marketing, chief marketing officer, CMO, and e-commerce director involve strategy development, cross-channel marketing management, and high-level decision-making. Alternative career paths such as freelancing, starting a digital marketing agency, or pursuing affiliate marketing and blogging offer opportunities for independence and entrepreneurship.